everybody, I hope you're all having a great day. In today's video I just want to show you what topping a succulent plant does. Some of you might call it deadheading, even just a cutting, taking cuttings from your succulents. What it's going to do. We had this in a previous video. I'll show you the image right here. So essentially what we did was cut out all of the dying parts and left the stem for new growth to pop up all over. And as you can see, that's exactly what it did. Throughout this whole stem we have little rosettes forming. Beautiful rosettes, nice and healthy ones as well. And all of this growth is being directed directly into that stem. And so it's going to grow the diameter of the stem, it's going to make it stronger and thicker, and we're going to slow down the growth of the plant in an upward direction. So of course with all these little rosettes that you get, you can do the same thing with them. Just clip them off whenever you're ready. As you can see, this one here has a little root coming from it. So that one's just about ready to be transplanted. I'm going to put them in the hydroponic center, as well as some sempervivum. I'll have a video coming out on that, but I wanted to show you the power that deadheading and trimming up your succulent really has on the plant and its growth habits as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this quick bit. Just showing you guys, it's a fun thing to do because you got lots of little baby plants popping up everywhere. And that's what all of us succulent lovers really enjoy to see. Thanks for watching. Have a great and wonderful gardening adventure.